Hey guys, it's Paul Mike here again from REO Auction Academy, and we're going to go over today a little bit about Bitcoin, silver, and gold and how the markets are affected, one, by the election, right?
Yeah.
Which we're going to see as a good article here. We'll jump right into it. And actually, before we jump into it, make sure you click like if you get something from this video here, and remember to click subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified when we have new videos, because we're going to be rolling out plenty each week here. So I'll let you jump into this, Mike.
Yeah, I mean, this is a good article I figured I'd share with folks. You know, if we go back to 2000, there was an election that wasn't decided on election night. It was Gore versus Bush. And that uncertainty causes market turmoil.
Sure does.
And given everything's going on this year with coronavirus and mail-in ballots, I figured it's kind of a repeat 20 years later of what potentially could happen again. We might not on, was it November 4th, actually have a decision that night. So what can we do financially to protect ourselves? Because markets hate volatility, and an uncertain presidential election is going to cause a lot of volatility. And if we scroll down a little bit, Paul, here, you kind of see the S&P. This is going back this is what, currently at with COVID. And if we go to chart below, it was back in 2000 here when the presidential election here, the circle that was the actual date in November of the election, and stocks, the S&P fell 12% after that, given, there was no clear winner in who it was, Bush versus Gore at that time. However, there was an asset class that did pretty darn good. And then if you scroll down a little bit more, Paul, that's gold. So that's kind of a hedge potentially if, if the same thing's going to happen, history does repeat itself sometimes. So maybe even though you had a recent run up in gold recently, there might be an opportunity to put some of your portfolio in gold or something like Bitcoin, which you're a huge fan of, Paul. That wasn't around in 2000.
Totally. It's not financial advice we're not giving here. We're just talking about what we would do with our money here, and we're going to go over that with you so you can kind of have an idea of what you might want to do with yours. But the market hates uncertainty, as you talked about. It really hates it. So you're going to see people, if we don't have results, in a very short period of time, a few days, a week, you're going to see people really buying either bonds, buying gold and silver. Remember, silver historically goes up well more than gold. So I like silver more than gold, even though I really like gold. And Bitcoin is digital gold, right? So that's an important thing to look at right there. And another thing, gold mining. Generally, when gold and silver go up, the mines go up more. So if you're invested in these companies, you could do very, very well as well. It's another
it's a good. The old story goes, the 1849 gold rush in California. The people that went out for gold didn't necessarily make a ton of money. There's the guys that sold them picks and supplies. And then that's another way. You don't have to actually buy an ETF in gold or physical gold itself. What are companies in that industry doing? They'll raise as well during this time period.
Totally. You might have an increase. Caterpillar may go up because all the equipment that they need for mining the mines. So, and like I said, equipment is a huge one, and you're looking at different things like lumber, commodities, right? Commodities generally do pretty well during these times too. Essential goods that people need, but definitely the Bitcoin, because it's looked at as a digital gold, and any other crypto too. Really, the cryptos kind of all roll together for the most part. And then silver. And I like SLV, GLD, right? They're ETFs, easy to get in and get out of. So you see volatility, you can have it, just get in and out of it really quickly. And if you see it really starting to go up, you want to catch that ride up and then, get in there, swing trade it a little bit. But definitely this is something we're going to be heading into tumultuous times with so much uncertainty and so many fronts. So you want to protect your money as much as you can. So this is what we're looking at doing. And if it helps you guys too, it's great.
And again, hope this video is helpful, and give us some comments below on future videos that you guys want us to record, and also hit subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to hit the like button. So thanks, guys.